the one. Next, take a rectangular sheet of paper, let it be A4 size, fold over 2 of the sides to make it meet in the center, make these arrowhead-like shapes out of it. Now open it back out and then make them internal folds. Now fold the bottom edges upwards and then fold it towards the side as such. After this, do it for the other side as well and make it overlap the first fold. Now reverse the side of the paper, fold over the sides, and then afterwards lift it up and then make the legs out of this. Push one portion of it backwards and then afterwards push it back down in order to make it look like a head. Draw an eye to it as well. Next, in order to make this, start off by taking these strips of paper. Afterwards, fold each of them over as such. Afterwards, add tape to the base of it. Make 3 of these and stick them all together using some tape. Now make another piece of this. Now take a purple sheet of paper, fold over either side of it to make it meet in the center and then make this diamond-like shape out of it. Fold the bottom edge over upwards. Now fold it into half and lift the other side upwards as such. Make a head out of it, add eyes to it as well. Stick it all together. In order to make this frog, start off by taking a piece of paper, fold it over at the top and the bottom diagonally. Now, after this, fold the edges over outside, taking the bottom edge, lift it upwards and then fold over the sides into the bottom edge that you folded. Fold it at the back in order to make it bounce. Next, in order to make this bunny rabbit, start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold the top and the bottom over to make it meet in the center. Make these arrowhead-like shapes on either end of it and now afterwards, fold the top over as such. Do this on either side and then make a small diamond-like shape out of it. Now fold it to the back and then lift it up in order to make it like a head shape. At the back, fold it over downwards as such. After this, fold it over and make it more curved. This way it won't be too sharp of a back. Fluff out the ears. Next, in order to make this butterfly, we'll start off by taking a decorative sheet of paper and cut it out in the shape of a butterfly. Add tape to the top of it and then stick a stick in the middle of it and then fold it into half. Now afterwards, add a straw through it at the base and then stick tape on either side of it. Next, take the sheet of paper, almost like crepe paper, fold it over into this triangular shape, fold upwards both of the edges. Now on the other side, fold the top edge downwards and then fold this into half. Spread it out and you should be left with this butterfly-like shape. Next, in order to make this rabbit, we'll start off by taking a sheet of paper, take a strip of it, that is a strip of an A4 size sheet of paper, fold it into half. Now cut off the top of it as such, add this triangular shape to it along with the rabbit and move it in order to make it move. Take multiple strips of paper, stick it almost in a circular shape. Now, after you've done this, stick all of it at the top, add these ears at the top as well, add eyes to it, and then add the circular shape underneath it. Next, take a strip of paper, make it into the cylindrical shape, and then tie a rubber band to it as such. Tie it up to the top and let it hang. Next, we'll start off by taking a green sheet of paper and then make a strip out of it, fold it into half. Fold the top and the bottom over to make it meet in the middle and then make these curved edges to it as such. Now after you open it out, this is what it should look like. Add eyes to it on one of the sides, use a straw in order to blow on it and make it move. Next, in order to make this bow, we'll start off by taking a strip of paper, fold it into half and then fold both of the bottom edges upwards. Lift it up, make these folds to it as such. Add some tape to the middle of it and now fold over either side to it. Now afterwards, add a small strip of paper in the middle as well and then taking the sides, cut off the excess and make V-shaped cuts out of it. Take some tissue paper, roll it over from one of the corners. Now after you've rolled it over, fold it into half. Now lift it back up and then tie a rubber band to it to make sure that it stays in its place. Fluff out the ears, add eyes to it and a little snout and a mouth and color the ears in slight pink. Thank you for watching.